Hi everyone. So today we've got a very nice package. This is a theme done for a travel company for an office opening. So we've done matching planters, a pen holder, small trays, posters and a table. So if you want your theme to be done like this, do contact us.